Morning, my country people. I throw a big salute for us today. Another edition for one of our favorite program, Country Meeting. The only program where we must Chidon and Chakara Tori for talk about all the things where it only pass from Monday to take care yesterday being a Friday. How country day? How we do for fix them? What you lack, what you need for same more Adam, for same meeting them, it happen for better way. Today it go be a special program for talk about all the things that don't happen for inside this country. But before we want enter for start talk about all the things that we don't pass from Monday to Friday. You find say make a first show and back for una small. Before I want come back now for say we join, we put it on join for studio for say we talk am for discuss am and for see how we go make a for say meeting and do a day fine for inside the country. Roland this morning time na the press button for say una see my eye me na Kongo Sama. The man wey bring una tori all time for say meeting and do a day for better way for inside the country. But na legalized Kongo Sama. When we start for showing all the things we don't pass for inside a week, we will go take una go to that side for Boya. Boya, it there for inside darkness. Why Boya there for inside darkness? High tension. It fall Jengu for this side for Moliko, for that side for Boya. Wait till happen for high tension for na say they pour them two, the old age don't catch them, they just don't you one four. Enough stuff. 7 to 8 days, no man in never pass for look and say, wait till he pour them for, wait till make a for, and if one of some businessman in house, you want pass for interboy, they want to show interboy, say, see, come, that is, we don't know what I say, I can blast people them to, on a people them for the one where they work a corner, come on a which can one, on a optic fiber, any man, your rapper, and a cobweb, can go for that side for backward the town, see the way go for backward town, so for that side for Boya, so, right, so with that road, they call the road for that side of Boya, say, Kata road. About Hill Road. When you enter my 16, you take my 17, you break taxi, say, leave me for Bakweri town. That's why it takes a matter. Oh, I need to go that side. Because road for that side, Ngangong. Yes. Even one of the new things in this way, it happened for that side, even though Boya people too, they still cry. Sending governor to try to do something for talk for it and you permit the struggle. Can't put the Latin for that side, where they call and say, Moliko, because even for instance, you be Latin, you know they. Latin only for all parts and for Boya. For Sika say, pose them, they did for downs of nature happen for inside the country. Roland one time, he say, me carry we go to that side for Kusala. When you see the man a traditional doctor, all man know for that side for Kumba. He say for Kusala. Doctor, come on, one go catch fish for that side for Kumba water. Go catch fish, he say catch a snake. Come on, snake bite doctor, yeah, and doctor Friday and snake today. Alas. This doctor, he can't reach for your compound with that snake. The doctor, leave that snake go hospital, go for hospital. Me the three doctor say this will deal with snake, he can't for kill me, but before one kill me, I get for first go kill, do small contribution, so that if I die, you too, he go die. One time, doctor reach for your house, talk, they bring in what they call the collage, he cut the neck for the snake, kill the snake. As doctor kill the snake, one time, I need this for a compound, so that's for Kusala Kumba. You know what happened with Doctor Joe for. The carry say this was the one with for hospital Peter. He don't allow. He just died that way. He come now see for that for mutually for that all man hala. Then Kumba boy them, Kusala boy them. Ooh, and he fear una. Kusala boy them not even wait them. They bury doctor first. They just take that snake, make pepper soup. I said Kusala boy they take that snake, make hot pepper soup. They share and chop in between them. Then they film and say Kusala the last snake, we don't chop it. But doctor dey for that for Kusala. Oh boy. Well, Roland say another story will happen na for that side for Marwa. As una see part Tango, Minister for Territorial Administration, he go for that side for Marwa. For go see if water no say flood the enter for people the houses them plenty. In Chakara plenty for the house they will talk about more than 180 something people they don't have come people they definitely they be stranded, they don't get car to do all that come back into them. So part Tango when the Minister for Territorial Administration, he go for that side carry back rise and carry kako even though no na buy amu. He not come for ikwa. Na papa popol we mama shantu. Na dem pull am for na kwa. Buy that rice them, buy Okada them, buy Bakankanchi them, talk a part and go. Since you don't be a head boy for humanitarian, go for that side, go see I'm not the water to that river, Marwadai way, you do it, you flood enter for people the house on the sea and two. So talk of Palava humanitarian kako, this other one for this time they call and waiting for inside Bui division. For that side for Bui division. Ogadio, he call all my way be victim for this and say una can't collect una kako. Population for inside division the same gang, the kako they so we no collect a money, don't go burn my okada, then you want me I take mattress with toilet room and who dey for you use na grass. How you want give me toilet room for say me use that for go toilet. Say they don't burn my house, you want give me mattress I will use that for go sleep for say all that one for inside we division. So as next thing they happen for that side, so we'll talk about all the stories so as we see how we show up for that side. The last thing we'll go for Yaoundé. For Yaoundé, oh boy, police and gendarme use na tear gas for Chakara people. So I'm going there for that side where they work for restaurant Jesus. Now head for Pekin, they discover head for Pekin for here. He take Pekin, cut Pekin a private part. Chakara Pekin neighbor them at least people for quarter they discover them. They so he don't kill a girl, a 7 years old girl Pekin. Now I not gonna tori. Time when they become for country and go for that side, he be in trouble. Now he patron this. When a Nigerian man, I get a restaurant Jesus for that side for Yaoundé. This say the girl he do the ask all time the only day for him go to the whole patron. I want to go one man country. I want enter belle from Donfa go one man country. They get the Nigeria sister they talk to this so oh my sister be first to say my send my picking for you. Me say if I be send my picking and my picking for kill and so the police and Jana they carry all the three go to this so now only for inside the two house where they get for talk true talk. When it happen before that picking he die for that side for Yaoundé way. So, Palava for chop me now, it don't turn a hilly for other people. Them. As we continue not to read this time around, Roland say move break for that side with the call for inside Douala 3 municipal council. Ogadio, Ivex. School where they so it dey like that for tomato, Sele, in lock up. School where they so in the sea paper, in the sea clear, lock up. School where they so minimum minister for secondary education don't send books, they so many lock and things in a Clando school, he lock up. He lock all that school them for that side, even though some people say so when they lock and so they go for Canada and say the take this small go so but if they don't come out for find go because on school them you see whether this on a school owner I don't know how to call it. Like this school tell the local way can't keep the path left and right. The school send it show like saying at school they want the only bring authorization. They say we to give authorization for use toilet say this in school. Say he go so local. Say me go talk about we don't talk say this so he don't lock his school. For second say he get book but with the place you know they better for some picking into the learn book for inside this one. Not be me a talker. Mama minister for secondary education, he don't have BB to talk to this so Palava schools. They don't get for use Palava workbook them. You see begin the carry back today in Banya the one broke for class 4, class 5, class 6. One book for one exercise. All the one now you don't make a plenty parents they don't glad say oh we no go get book, we no go get suffer again plenty, we no go do the one. But the woman he cry, he say mama no vex, see I don't put workbook for my list them for picking the same picking the buy come with the workbook. For sick I say before the news it want enter, he give na under 2 weeks for saving school is start. Which time we go prepare for buy that book? Which time we go prepare? So we don't prepare na 2-3 months. Say they don't give that news so they don't buy workbook, buy reader, then buy kind thing. But now that news it don't come. It can't be for the license that bomb with the don't send up because they don't spend plenty too. But because don't say parents they go buy back the book there and them too they go continue back for do their business. But now they don't can block that book they already they don't print and do all things. Wait till they go do now with that book there. Now for they will question mark the for this side when I see this statue for Mama Maria so now for this side for Douala Airport with the catcher. What do you do before they catch Mama Maria is statue? This statue so if they enter from the one enter from Bele from Donfa go for that for one man country. Because of the one scan and they discuss it so something they for inside Bele we know they find. Then when they check them for proper way, they see I'm saying this so unku when they estimate them to about 31 million francs inside Bele. Now when they broke at one time, man when we come for stand they say if you shake, we shoot. And Oga Kwete for cost on that side, he talks to this so the one now number 49 packet from who where they want struggle for part and at thanks to this machine we go now you don't get for the same they continue to do their own for that for better way before they catch all the ones where it go about 1.6 kilogram for that certificate so all the one now they will say me they make them me they suffer and for say all this one where they suffer Cameroon and them carrying cold they say big they even though so one they say so they don't be and at time when they want show me they show them for television at time when they show other one so when they come up for talk about other ones so any idea land carry we go time this magazine one at the same time for that side for Peka 17 where they happen the camion in the train and gravel Small time you go see they go bring an oil. Small time they go bring can chemical. People for that side where they call and say, for that type of PK 17, the people that do they hear bad. They say all this one, so then make that cement call for that side. And this cement is so it do it. You see, another motor can carry and now it go na for side, it go na for go supply. The inhabitants of that of PK 17 they say they need sleep because for night machine they make no man is sleep. And so school they for corner. So chef the catch what up in the online all can book send and from go now send up the one thing so me they move that company for the for security people and two they make us so country you know the different at all but when people come back for say we talk about all this one why person go establish company for inside population for play with people that they stay and all that one it really affect the society for better way. This time around we'll tell you when I go here this is minister for commerce if you don't vex if you see news if you send no communicate I'll be sure that communicate say this so some fake products they for inside our supermarket them. Say and these fake products them they get for do it. Me will not buy product for canned products them until me inside a land boy for feel. Me they go work and move all that bad products them before we tell you to start consume. The corn he pass half enter for if not be pass through custom they pay custom duty. They hide you enter market before they start talking to so now bad corn for that side. But when they come back and talk about all this one because it talks to so the corn if anybody don't buy the corn on sense so me they do it me they move that corn go destroy because that corn no be fine corn they don't keep on fine they don't do am fine but we'll get the original corn we'll go buy the one for Intangungung there buy beans Intangungung they don't mix out the oil because me make like a 3-4 years for Intangungung you buy and chop you don't know what they enter your belly tell me enter your belly tell your belly the chanting hallelujah 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 you don't know what to make and for your belly to do other one so we'll talk about other one and for inside better one for this side but this time around Rolando go more land for that side for Bamenda main market way this too you know the market for that side Bamenda it don't be for 3 days you know open. First day, it will be that country Sunday. Number 2 day, na Kitu be flop also for market. Number 3 day, na Kitu be flop for. Number 4 they put it, hey, we go die oh. We go die. Now way, business people they hold the government for that type of Congress for Bamenda. Why they hold the meeting for see waiting. The news when they were saying because government stock today so they lock that market so for Sika say Kitu they market for Sika say they respect country Sunday. People they so say we the respect country Sunday for Sika say when you know respect country Sunday you want come back for your house either they burn your house or they so your store you go receive country fire for that side or they will come treating you for your house so better. They respect that condition, then the remaining 6 days, then the open market can say that business one time, go to say, we are no more here for that problem, we are more here, and so we'll talk about all this one and two, we'll talk about, we begin into every holiday, you know, say this, so for Fumban, they do the training, for Bamenda, like how, Natia, Oga governor, they give certificate, they do them, for Douala, they do the training, go for that side of Yao, they do the training with the past, for Fumbot, they do them, go for that side of Betua, Shangmelima, Pikin they go do training for say this so how they feel help man we eat for inside trouble. If person choke how if you manage if fire the burn how if you manage me want them not only for help any person but if you help any man we get inside trouble and power fire we that one too. Plenty people they be like and say this so it make you think that too it happen for better because the Pikin they do kind demonstration for talk about the it happen. Another bishop again he died for that side for Ezeka. Bishop Diodone wait to kill you. All man the only one that because they can't discover Oga Bishop he die body for inside his bed where don't come back come on only will meet with the get other bishop for that side. Oh man, wait till it happen. So Bishop the Joe die. So another one you come over die again. The communicate you come on. In fact, you don't get tired. Wait till it happen for Catholic Church with all this one them people they only die. People they only die. People they only die. Now wait till it happen for inside the country. Any other countryman. Now the three now we go talk for this morning time we will now feel called for giving all small contribution for talk to a different but then talk to one way different to if you talk out. Why would they wait on the other people that the partners they give for talk for say we check out to do for better way. We will talk to about all this one. Welcome back now, control for some more enter for start for Chakara the Tori for proper way we wanna tune or give our own contribution for talk. But before one start Tori, for my mom, for my woman, we get Andre Bless Esama, we do already take a position, she don't for send me with two Chakara the Tori too for better way. Then for my mom picking hand, ha, the one no. We get Robert Nyube, we either Chakara own self, she don't for own chair. Roland, make a move see Robert Nyube proper no. Me put a see, yes. You see, the never see of same Chakana people now heroes they only for to celebrate them for better for talk about all the things the good things they don't do how they stress for inside the country. Then we too get for follow the example. And for same we too will name to they when time we don't go the government to begin celebrate as we too celebrate all these faces they went for this side. Many of them Esama.
Oh, Michael.
Are you there, Kwanke?
No, we there, Kwanke. We there happy for the program today for Chakala with Ruben Umnyobe. I don't say Ruben Umnyobe. Na someone where he don't tell something for Cameroonian and even John Gufoncha. If we can have again what they were saying, I'm very happy to be in this program this Saturday with all those great figures. Yeah, then let me thank that panel. Yeah. Opa Umnyobe, I thank Wana. Opa John Gufoncha. We thank one. If we maybe remember what you want, I don't talk for that time where we did that problem for Anglophone crisis.
You know what they?
No, you know
You know what they are talking about? It's almost time for Chakala Torina for talk about all the things.
I can congratulate the sculptor of Fumban, the one who have built those monuments. Is Namanjweya. He did for Fumban. Yes, he did beside the palace of the King Joya. Yes. So he's the man who build all those monuments. We not be obliged again to go to Paris to create monument to put inside dollar. He's the one who have built also the monument of Ruben Umnyobe, the community.
Chakara.
Chakara, Canton Beb. Canton Beb, don't Chakara. We hope that this one they no go Chakara.
No,
we go fight them. We go fight them.
Okay, Roman, can we go time for Boya? We'll talk about this. So, if you say Boya, baby town like that one, like Boya, high tension, it fall for that for Moliko for Boya. University don't get light. Plenty, some part of half of Boya don't get light for secondly high tension. So, you don't make 8 to 9 days now, the normal number part and your number part for go high tension and it fall on top house.
Yes, this is the neglect one where we talk every time for you to say politique energetic for Cameroonian. If it be then a white people for white people for Bonapriso, then be arrange them quick. No. Even if it's pity, my you see, remember that power where we call Amadou Ahidjo. Because Amadou Ahidjo, when you roll this Cameroon, he be capped idea of Ruben Umnyobe. He was saying Cameroonian must be proud of his energy. He have created a big company, Sonel, and that Sonel now we see Nyadi Fenji Marcel, who is the
supply electric
senator. Yes, you see how he throw Cameroonian inside some kind of bad material. You see small thing where you put them, you say it's for life. No, it's no good. So we must have a patriotic to make our energy, not to kill Cameroonian, because sometimes those things kill Cameroonian inside.
Okay, what you fit it's a like that boy put they cry every day. They don't fit charge your phone. They don't fit someone. They don't fit see program now. So Chakara Tori. What you fit talk for and you of nothing. They fear for go for boy for go work for Sika say gone the hala for that side. Or what you fit make away? They don't go for that side for boy for go try for something.
We must put first education in population. Population must make a revendication by reading, by taking picture, by seeing that. Okay, this is my TV. I cannot even watch program of contributing. My complaint is this. I complain because I have the right to. But Mali, I've said, get up, stand up for your right. We have the right. If you pay and you have spoiled your program, even your activity, you can make a complaint. Let us learn to Cameroon that they must have that culture of complaining. To complain is a very good thing. Is that Ruben Umnyobe went to United Nations and say no to French colonialist master, which continue to to the Hamburg people for their country. You see how France begin to Hamburg with that.
See road there for inside Boya. You know for Bakweri town. When they go on a town for Bakweri town, around where they enter for Bakweri town. That side. They don't. When you enter, they want take tax money. Then they go for that side because the road don't spoil. Now they suffer.
And are we going to accuse the population? No, it's not population who have, it's the state. So that Paul Biya, with all his government, they must have now new complaint.
Papa Paul Biya, he there for Yaoundé, the road there for Boya. Na government delegate or na mayor or na governor need for impose for only one.
You answer yourself. Nas decentralization woman make now Paul Biya work fine, but Paul Biya is afraid about decentralization because when you apply decentralization, a lot of mayor who will have power, they can have money and they cannot thief again money in Yaoundé. It's a problem because the matter is that who's going to take money of population and manage now. The real matter is that, and the opportunity for Cameroonians to have decentralization, even federalism, is to make population be responsible for what they are living.
Okay, for them they take care for that area there.
Yes.
Okay, it's about look this picture for this video for the part for that type of Kumba. Now traditional doctor, he is for Kusala for Kumba. He goes to go catch fish or Kumba water. You don't ever go Kumba water. You don't go Kumba.
I know.
You don't go Kumba.
I go.
You don't go Kumba water.
Kumba water. Hey, that song.
You know, so you know that song.
Kumba water.
This man go for go catch fish. He go into go catch a snake. Snake come up for biting. He fight with that snake. Say catch the snake. The snake bite him for all 200. He can't reach for house. Yet you can't reach for house happen there. Talk they bring collapse. He want cut. He hand belongs. I wait to be there for people who collapse again. They can't help you. They cut neck for the snake. Then he alive die. They carry go liver. Either for mutual for Kumbadi. They don't take Kumba boy in there. Kusala boy there. They carry that body to go out for mortuary. Kusala boy they take that snake. They make pepper soup there. Chop out for them. I think they make pepper soup. Hot pepper soup. Whoa. They make na eat a hot pepper soup. Chop and when they pay, they say the snake chop the snake bite all into one. Yes. Then people for Kusala they say, "Pa go hospital no, pa I don't get money. Because not the thing they need to work. I go take who go borrow me now money if I go for hospital. I mean too much more injection, but because it's the tiny don't reach for a company from that side for Kusala. They come, they cut the neck for the snake. They help you because you know if you don't hold one side because you have to say you have to do it high.
Is it a normal snake with my Michael?
You the part of because and adopt the traditional they say that snake be normal snake say one go do some small thing there for tradition and so that man we don't come can kill him the man too go to die but now if we don't die we don't know whether the man na true na be na balok snake.
So that is the mystic affair.
Yeah, we should have some kind thing. No, that's black man Trump plenty, no.
But really, we must have a health politic who will.
See how they bring collapse. Even if you hold the collapse for cut neck for the snake outside.
Aye.
If one hold away no day, if you abeg una carry me say hand on high. Say una carry help me. Even people the guy why they no fit force say go for hospital. Say they can struggle they cut neck for the snake. Cut and stay the snake to the tanga they cut and be fine.
The snake don't want.
You need the one for you need a cut. See and they can use that power they cut
and that part don't die.
Yeah, now so we talk na cup. Either for mortuary for that side for
well, you know feel leave Yes,
because don't cut down the neck.
On this part we can say rest in peace.
Rest in peace because now so you don't go as you go wash your hands.
And it's a politic of health because we must have.
See Kusala boy there.
Yeah.
I give you
No. But I think they get strong with that snake after they go bury our papa and yes take care of their children because that part
picking them too.
They picking them there. They must take care of that picking of that part because really it's like we are watching a film. It's like a movie.
No, na film. Anyone na direct when we happen.
Say na movies.
Now who you call? You call for outside? For Batoke. You say you are going to be our contribution? Okay. Thank you for your contribution. Show the panel with you according to okay.
That was a mystic affair. Yes. Mike, a mystic affair. You don't see,
so they go bite you for this side, you don't carry for town. But what you what if you talk about Kusala boy, when I don't see man that kind of happen, the man don't die. Then when I for some they see how when I cry die, when I take that snake, peel up, make that pepper soup they first.
No. We must have integrity because in Africa we are not proud of one. We cannot even eat some food at certain time when somebody die. Even children, when the children die, they cannot eat.
Yeah.
It's when a big pa die, big pa that will be. So I'm not advising people. They chop
the snake.
They chop what?
Let's call her before I go for that. Okay, anyway, Rolando, can we go to this time around for this side of the country? Kodo, now what you know? This one na Robert Umyube will get John Gu Foncha where they don't kind of we, because that's an Pastor Martin for people action and Chewe get for today for Shino for that side. Then for the other side we get Pastor Chris where they so get you know title for Pala traffic day for inside dollar. Mu tell the other caller we go for that second then back to at least now we heroes they won't need for to celebrate them if you get history. Yeah, because the one that will backbone. If you want me to come celebrate you, need to do great things for this nation. Like how time is Samadai too, and so other activities that will carry on here too. So begin work out from different house of television. Say when I will sit down with the work so we don't do fun things for the country.
And we really celebrate that thing where Papa Jongo Foncha say during 40 years, our country was divided in 3 different parts, and now we must know how to make our resources and riches of Anglophone, Francophone, and so on, to make now the fight to unify Cameroonian, living together. But probably have never. Even Amadou Ahijo sometimes have crooked John Gufoncha. Is that we see in our currency, for example, you can see all our money is only written in French, coming from France. It's not good. So that we must we must start Cameroon on that period of John Gufoncha, who was a very great thinker of reunification
for bring peace for inside the country.
All those monuments and make our Papa take hands. Yes, you say no. We are going to continue that idea the way we do.
We will not start. Okay, Roland, carry with this time. I'm control for Natori. Carry we go down for that side for Marwa. You know Pa Tango?
Yeah, Papa Tango.
Pa Tango, Minister of Territorial Administration.
Yeah.
You know say you don't be like a head boy for humanitarian kako for Cameroon, no? Na head boy, no, we call na head boy. Because Papa Popo with Mama Shamtu, you just say, say Pa also we go for that side for Marwa. Now see the image for Marwa, we water enter more than 180 something people. Then we water chakara the houses, them destroy the houses. They don't be get place for stay. They don't be get nothing. So Papa Popo with Mama Shamtu, they buy bicycle, buy Okada, buy bag rice, buy oil, buy kako for do security for Palava Boko Haram, buy and go to that side for Marwa. You see them 180 something. Divide them for them. And apart, I'm gonna be head boy. Now you go say na Papa don't send me. Say me I can't give the kako for now. For then you go to for Canada Watara, that river Marwa way. This so the water will decrease for that side. In the go look up here the park back there. For say rain 1 4 minutes or one no happen. You know say. Here they like Marwa Beto, they don't get town planning, no?
No.
They don't get town plan because now we World Bank, they don't even sponsor some area and for that side they try to see how they go make town planning, make side with this kind of rig zone. Like Douala get rig zone, Douala get zone with it build, industrial zone day, all that one them. But for that side they don't get them. You know that the first thing I go, they don't get for start do because people will still over you go be house tomorrow one can tell rain for enter a house, they start to say because we will not be give authorization for beef. Yes. How they go do no say that plate be rig zone and all that one for us part and go what if you talk about this thing where you go do for us?
Yes, is that colonialist master have bring in Cameroonian most of their way to manage Cameroonian is not good because if it were a white man that Atangaji was getting full, he will do 2 things with norm. But sometimes we say Cameroonian is now leading like a normal country. Yes, so that we are bring the norm to a normal. And
they don't bring normal thing
to norm. Yes, this is the way we can say Atangaji may he respect life of Cameroonian and put red place, red zone, and make
rig zone, rig zone. When they've been a rig zone, they never
and to be respected. And it's not only to put because even when there is an accident, of course, we make a security zone. And we must not get inside that zone. And what make population, the political plan of habitant of Cameroonian, what is that politic? We don't even know. You see, for example, in sometime here in Douala, when there is a
flood,
you see how population are living.
People that are crying.
That means they have not succeeded, and as they have not succeeded, they must resign. They will at Tangaji, the administration must say, okay, I've not succeeded in that work that was very, very, very high, or because I was not in capacity to make my citizen of this country be respected. Because I say, if it was the white people that Atangaji was meeting at the north, he would not do like that. He would respect that. So that is the consequences of the management of France, who is now putting a lot of ideas inside the head. Look, for example, in some country like Rwanda. Rwanda is developing where you cannot see such kind of image. You see, for example, another country like Ghana. Ghana community, no. Even in Ghana, you see infrastructure. You are welcome in that country. But how could that, all those people, Olbia and Atanganji, Young Philemon, they cannot make our country be proud. You see, we are watching the African Cup of Nations.
Yeah.
Look, for example, even the road of Japoma. No. They have not worked.
They went at last minute. No, they went last minute for. Okay, it's about most to talk about Palama humanitarian. You don't say they don't start the divide that we don't contribute money that 12.7 billion. They don't divide that small. Even though people say, how they go talk about Palama billion? They see now small bag rice, small half bag rice. They get toilet room, they get for people. Over there, other the money don't go. But for that side, for inside with division, Ogadio call people to Nakamu. Even for them, Mankara in name be the trunk. Say they can't take that kako and that rice them with the mattress them. So now only 3 people they take up. Oh man, deny. I don't know. People to Musia for instead for that for Kumbu. Now the kako and that. He remember the kako and toilet room. So I'm not when they be born in Okada. He say man, they born my Okada. They come and they give me mattress. So I go do it to the mattress. They don't burn my house. I come and they give me mattress with the toilet room. Say me I go do it to the mattress with the toilet room. Other one them. Now only 2 to 3 people they take up. So Ogadio say, they can't go then they don't send for me say me again for now. So if you fit tell you will tell the people for come say me they take that kako because they brother run by am because I'm go na the game.
No, first of all, you see, dignity is something that you can't buy. Population of Southern Cameroon are population where you can see dignity is because of that. You see the long term of that crisis continue because the dignity is not that you can fear or you are not about money or goods. No, people respect the life of their parents that have been killed and they want more than what they are giving now. And they're asking for the responsibility of the state and how a state can be responsible if he give only small mattress. People are beginning their life after all those burning houses and stuff. We must now make patriotism and love for our brother who are victims of that Anglophone crisis. It's important to make an investigation and to go inside deeply to see, for example, all those I see, for example, in Citesi, people who were in two inside the house. Now they are now
4, 10, 6, 12. It means it released me. It released me.
Michael, let us.
I don't put it for us. They did them 3, 4. Now they did 8.
And if you declare now that you have a lot of people that you have welcomed them, they cannot give you that mattress. No, because they don't want the truth. They just want political resolution. Is a way to show, to call television and say, okay, you see, this is mattress. No, it's not good. We must be inside a country where we see our leader love population.
Okay, Esamamu talk about this one. You don't hear about that 7 years speaking for Yaoundé with the killing?
Yeah, hear about.
For restaurant Jesus for that side, a patron they only talk say, my worker they only talk say he want enter Belen from dog for he want go white man country. Say he go kill the pikin for Sika say he want go white man country. What if he push woman? Roland, bring me that email for that side for Yaoundé. The way they so gendarme and police they allow go through the tear gas for Chagara population. Population say we want kill them. They want kill the owner of the restaurant. They want kill that the Ngonderi. They want kill. They want kill anyone where he get anything related to that pikin because of the dustbin. Simply they go discover the pikin hit. 7 years old girl pikin. Woman go kill his own pikin. For Sika say he want go white man country.
This matter comes from why we call the spiritual way of a population, because when poverty have become so painful for someone, and you have not even.
Men over poverty.
Not only that.
Next time I go blame the woman or go blame the man. Don't give am belle.
We go blame the society, because society now create a lot of Cameroonian who cannot be capable to preserve dignity, because we must
see the woman go for back house. He want make like he want burn the house, like say pikin born for inside house. How to you never born?
Because they don't catch the truth.
Yes, no, before they want catch it, so he go struggle for burn the remaining part for pikin.
Make people don't
see pikin. Yeah, make pikin no me not trust no day. Wait if you push woman for go do that kind of crime, go right for that kind of extent.
This is the management of Cameroon after 36 years of Paul Biya.
See the woman?
Yes, because Paul Biya cannot imagine how living of the Cameroonian, how can they believe who are the model? You are seeing now Djongo Foncha, you are seeing now Ruben Umyobe. They are the one living with the model that they will fight for Africa. We don't have a game model.
Yeah.
You see, for example, if somebody in the quarter is a chief man, you see Fayman, you see the expression we use sometimes, Fayman. When you're a Fayman, people like to be Fayman. Now,
person use his sense chop, you call it a thief.
Michael, this kind of chop, human being chop, are we anthropophagists? No. The really matter is that how can we allow the society to be worse? You see, even the road, at a certain time in Douala, you want to move. No road. It's 36 years of mismanagement of Cameroon. Is that cause such kind of mentalities? You see, a woman.
But how that man eating for up? Different person commit crime, they only corner in for up.
I thank you for that, because there is a consequences when you are managing. Even here, Michael, you see now that you have this wonderful program come to meeting. If you give bad advice to population, that they will carry and they will feed, that will feed population. But I'm very happy that you congratulate a sculptor who's building monument of Djongo Foncha, of Ruben Umyobe. That will make Cameroon be proud and be a big country. You see, Paul Biya, what are you doing? He's only go to Swiss. After he go to summit to China, of course, that's good. But is it working inside population? We see, for example, Patrice Talon. Patrice Talon is somebody who is working, he get inside population. Even, I still remember that Laurent Gbagbo. Laurent Gbagbo was a president where you see the protocol of presidency of Republic of Cameroon is bad. We must have now a presidency who is close to population. We must have a presidency who can go to stadium with population, who can call a student at this come back to school. He sit down with population. He sit down for talk with them, for dialogue with them. Even that Anglophone crisis, he go to Bamenda, he go to Boya, he say no, I don't understand what you say, but now we want to do is this. It's like that. When you abandon population, you only go to Swiss. How can we have a population? Michael, population is like baby. Yes, population is like baby. If you educate population, you put them model, you put them how to manage them, there will be a very good population. As you see, sometimes we are proud of some population like China with wonderful population. They are wonderful population.
They get huge population.
Moment you see, even at this small school, nursery school in China.
They learn how to make memory card.
Yes.
They don't know how to make memory card. The entire one is for secondary school. We don't make that.
They know how to make Bluetooth.
Make eyeglass, make all that kind of small.
And the culture is preserved inside. You see, they preserve the culture because the culture is what we have felt. Our culture of Cameroon, what can you say?
Okay, Roland, bring me email this time around for inside Douala 3 minutes for council here with this. So Ogadio, Ivex, carry a red pen, carry a banging boot and changshu. Isab Kiwaka, Sele. You know, say school there for Douala, they grow like a cocobiaco. School there. You don't buy for any corridor, so you see school, they grow like a cocobiaco. You are na school. You see my compound, you don't turn in a school. But when go and say, give again at least a spread of 2,000 square meters. What did it happen when school they grow like a cocobiaco for inside Douala? But you see, like the one so they go lock up for that side for Douala 3 days. I'll get your lock up. School day like that for tomato. But the man command out the BB paper, sensi paper. Now I'm going to sign up. They don't give me authorization. Say, oh, who be you for how long my school? Open my school. They say, okay, I don't lock up. Go talk for that. I don't sign that book. So I don't look at school. See classroom. See bench the way they see in the past. See they play. They cover our play also cover and so all day like that tomato. So see here cable in the past for inside school. The man is saying, but that document, see the document this, signé, and they don't give me authorization.
Really, the fact is
but
that
now back to school, no preparation. They didn't really do nothing for that side for trying to arrange and make it clean.
and you can see that any years we begin to speak about that kind of way, where population now are victim of fake school, and not only fake school, even fake hospital. The real reason is the lack of the state of the state to put in charge Cameroonian in education. Why Pobia have not decided to make free education, as he said. If there were free education, you go. Pobia, I've said on the speech of I mean, it was at the 11th of February. Oh, free education in primary school. No, there is no free education.
Because PTA now don't go to 7,000 so school they pay PTA 10,000. They can free.
Not free? No. He know that he cannot do it, but it's a campaign. Pobia is only a man of campaign. He's a man where you can see what he say. You go to the ground, you go to the field, you will not see the way. And the matter is that, Michael, population also have not get they cannot keep children in house to do what your children, when there is nothing to do, he begin to be a very worse children. You see children going, there is WhatsApp, you see on WhatsApp, France, for example, allow to children to make sex education. It's not good. We Cameroonians have our own value. We cannot allow French education for WhatsApp, Facebook to have a sex education. We wait until
they get okay, you don't hear the Minister for Secondary Education talk for Palawa say this, so one book for one subject.
Yeah.
You buy the idea?
That idea, I think there is something else that we can do, because we must have the price of the book, not homologate the book only when you have brother who have
publish a book.
Yes.
Okay, it's a manatini where they happen. He bring this decision, we remember about 2 weeks to 3 weeks to back to school. Some school then they ever prepare their books the way they go use them for school now 3 months, 4 months before back to school. Plenty schools and plenty school they already buy their workbook, buy their books, and buy all things pack them. Then now 2 weeks to back to school, you can't talk to this so that book they don't use them.
Why the matter of Cameroon only when there is no programmation.
Immediately because like some school now they just say so they go say they go use them. They don't impose them for parents. They go you buy that reader, buy workbook for like for English section. But now minister don't say no workbook. They don't want to see other book them. But the what they go do without thousands of books, so they don't pack them for their bookshop them. They don't pack them for school because on school they now they buy books them where they go get them for their student them. So that means they don't lack book them. Now if which you they because some business people just say so. That news so now fine news. If you do and so to say this year they will use workbook with all that reader them. Then next year, as from next year, they don't go use workbook again. Say next year no use them. Can you say that idea is work at you where they put it talk for us?
Why will be time where we go for school, Michael? Only one
book. You want use one reader, your brother.
But how is it that the politics of education in Cameroon is a business now, where any years they must change.
They must change book.
Any
new military claim it change
over money. We must where is connect to make investigation in that? Who is taking that money that any years we change the book? Is it possible for us to
if I don't take some 1 or 2 callers and we don't know the vaccine, so why only we will talk? I don't know they for like you don't take any people when they want to forgive the uncle because this part for education it affect plenty teachers them, you don't affect plenty school them. Then you know so new mago na when you go for that type of lycée aqua say you do say I'm going to say picking they will give you paper, send me cents and send me go pay 7,500 me go pay either for extra or mobile money. But when you go for that mobile money or extra they will take in 7,700. Then when you see me they give you receipt for 7,700 they say no. What's that 200 they go?
The politics is most in education. And you can see even in the program of...
Hello, now the for line. Hello, now the call. Now the call. Louis, you call for yourself for Boya. Yeah, you call for yourself for Boya. When I get live for Grace Upon.
Yeah, always get live.
When I always get live. Okay, what do you think you have as your own contribution?
Yes, I want you to say for this time for Palava book the one subject, one book. Now good initiative, but the find we always do programming earlier.
Yeah.
Because if you like other minutes, I don't just find the book. It takes people unaware. And I think plenty of that schools they know will respect that communicate.
Yeah.
Order.
Okay, thank you for your own contribution. We'll take another man wait there for line. I don't know for line. Okay, because plenty for them. If plenty for them where they don't respect them, SK will feel blame those people they don't respect this. We respect
cannot
them.
blame them because poverty now causes a lot of damages inside the student.
I'm not even part of poverty. You know, say
No,
banks and they now way they so because plenty school them they don't get the funds. They go for bank, borrow money, buy that book them. They don't say when school start they go get back the money. I don't know for line. I don't know the call. Hello? Yeah, now the call. Oh, when calling to the internet phone to the joke confused. Shavinson, you call for side. Oh, yes, man.
I tell you, we thank all those people who are calling.
They try to call. When I leave me one man say tongue, no before. All man one tongue.
That is a subject that
People. Okay, move down. Yeah, now they for line. Hello? Hello? The one I really tell because this one I think it affects plenty. It touch plenty people them.
How can you ask the population to buy books, but you know that all the school?
Hello, now they for line. Yeah, Robert from Santa, yes.
I want to say, my friend will have to talk on one book policy. Like in Christian school, they go for Northwest and go Southwest. All these years, I go to school, now they go in. What of the previous book that they don't buy?
Yeah.
The book sellers, they don't buy. They can't find. They will do well with that book. One book policy is really fine. But that book, the Bible shall ask that for students. They will do well with that. That's for them, they don't buy the book with the podcast.
Yeah. Okay, thank you for your own contribution. People they get book they don't buy for 2 years, 3 years, so they do for except for that time for nowhere. They don't buy book they don't be for house or two. I don't know for line. Hello? Yeah, now they call.
Hello.
Yeah, now they for line. Solomon for your only. What you think as your own contribution, Solomon?
I don't like the idea where every year they change for book, every year they change for book. Not in a five time. Then they don't get money now too. Every year you buy one book, the next year, you have no way. Once you go to buy one book, the next day you have to work for that. You have not to say you buy one book, the next day you buy the one, the next day that one I think you don't buy.
Okay. Okay, thank you for your own contribution because plenty parents they glass them so they don't buy plenty book they need here. According to plenty people they glass them because plenty book they don't show because you saw from one subject show they go buy like 4 books them, but now you buy only 1 book. Some parents they glass that one are good news, but now the way where they news it enter, how they use I don't know how they for line. I don't know how they for line. Master, go for Mutengene. We know they put calls into the enter. We know they will activate their hand free for saying me if you talk for saying to the figure your own contribution. They call it when I do call them small no. Yes, man. You know how the thing no. Okay, yes, man. If you get some message or talk for Mama Minister, what if you tell him?
Yes, for Minister, may them prepare.
Yeah, we know they for saying activate hand free for saying you talk pa. Yeah, Sama, just go ahead.
Yes, make the minister prepare the come back to school even 1 year before. Because at the time they are making like that, it's like they don't know that Cameroonian, even their school, the school of Cameroon, always recommends.
Excuse me, say even the book they say they know they mark it all. Now you know, I don't know the line. Shay Vincent from Boya, go ahead, Shay Vincent.
Because they will not say father will survive. And if crime is that way, it's not children's neck, no man for chopper again.
Okay, thank you, Shay Vincent. You don't talk your hand on cool. Okay, move there, another caller for that. Hello? Okay, it's a man. All this one, we move and leave this call them. Because this news, the news don't come. We'll go for some, we'll enter a bookshop then for Douala, try to see whether the books will be available. The books, you know, you get your sister one them, you know, sister one them. You want to support the children, no, so they see wait the bateau arrive. You never come. Means they don't even print of Cameroon, they print of one man country. As they print of one man country, they don't carry small country to put up a belly for dog when they fly for air. They don't bring the book there. Then the other book, then they don't put up a ship. It will take how long for reach? School they can't start. Speaking, they don't get book there for standing with them.
You understand that they are not managing Cameroonian with love, because when there is love, professionally you love what you do. You make even this the history of Cameroon. Look for certain in the book of history. You cannot even see the patriotism inside. They cannot learn patriotism. Why? Are we again with France who are against our father founder, who were the one building Cameroon independence?
No.
We must put in history the history of Ribeno Miobe, of Letumasa, of John Gufancha. In this come back to school, we must see inside the book of history. But you look certain small. No, we must get deep, because that is the way we are making Cameroonian be very strong. When a teacher can teach his son, his student, with the love of their father founder, how can we go then to Libya or
for go out of Cameroon again, for go do anything, for go find we'll get all
he will develop all the idea, even petroleum. He will develop culture. He will develop how to. Look, for example, we are close.
Oh, with Africa, I don't know for line. Yeah, now they call. Okay, we'll take this other call already for like, Roland, just bring me image and we'll go for this side for the. I'm going to take this last call for this first face for one. I don't know for line. Now the call. Okay, Roland, just carry we go to this time around for this place for the DH area. You see the Maria statue?
Yeah.
We visit and say, go say, Virgin Maria, pray for us. You know what happened?
Tell me.
They don't scan them. They say something for Sister Maria Ibele. They say, man, now what's for Sister Maria Ibele when they show say this one na for thing.
Now Jesus.
Who can Jesus go there for Sister Ibele? See am. Now for us with DHL for dollar for Arepo, you know.
Yes, I see that big one here. Yes, I know them.
Well, as the one blue that Ibele say no, something there for Maria Ibele, no, they find the one blue and they discover cool.
Oh, congratulations.
1.6 kilogram.
Congratulations to a custom.
Then they expect them to about 31 million.
Michael, let us congratulate that.
Oga for custom talk say this, so that one number 49 packet we don't catch up. Since when go now, you give them that new machine where they call and say scanner.
Yeah.
Where they scan belly 14 them, you bring carton, they scan them, you bring the one, they scan them, check out. Say that machine, it do fan work.
Anytime then they pass with
all that drug them, pass with all kind of
things. For example, 1 hour statue like this,
put her inside, they make now Maria own, they don't say Maria own them na normal one, and the machine that they carry and see they open up, see. The boy they need to sleep.
Congratulations to.
You said they need to sleep.
Customer, no, really.
But if they do the work proper, so we know for the glad.
Is the problem of that means meritocracy is in Cameroon cannot be a very big polity, because the one who are making like this, they can be received even by President of the Republic.
Yeah, for the good work, for them, so don't do fine work. Because don't be a star. Like how they like that power he don't die for Kumba. See like that power don't die for Kumba if he be still alive. Like now so for the wrong go camera for go tell Papa how you do catch that snake alive. That snake bite you. If we be one star, we need to celebrate for carry some person from zero to something.
That's true because how is a society is building with reference. You see, for example, we always watch on the TV Rahang. You see Black Zembla when we was
time of Naruto all that one
Romeo. You see Rodeo. We always watch that kind of image coming from white
for white people. Why we not develop our own heroes like Django Foncha, Robert Umube, who only know for talking about Naruto, Lucky Luke, who the other one. Why we not develop our own heroes? Because so why man you don't develop their own heroes?
Complex, Michael. Even you see on the 25th of December, you see when you big Pupe, you see white Pupe. Why?
Blue,
we must
black,
change that kind of mentality.
So again, for give our own thing
our own to put a black Pupe. Black Pupe.
Dolobobi?
Yeah,
for forget black Dolobobi?
Yes.
When only white man Dolobobi day. And when only white man Jesus day.
And you see the consequences on the head of our girls.
Because now the young Jansa. Jansa
Je ne suis pas ton bonbon.
You see person with mommy black. You mommy black like charcoal. You want to see he gave because he get a banana for 250.
No. Really, the consequences of importing hairs that come from that the mentality we are consuming idea of white people. Because our Dolly Bobby, when they are there, you see black complexion hair. It's good not to be nappy style.
Natural.
I advise all women to convince their girl and all their mommy they do not go again to put Indian, Brazilian, Peruvian.
Okay. What is the one or two color for line? I don't know for line. Yeah. Yeah.
If adult for being so important, but we are good people who not take the that. People that expect to take custom to the custom. If you should say, I want to concerning people who worship adults like God.
Yeah.
That one should be clear to say adult, not God.
Okay.
Because they're not going to take holiness and report to back inside the sheep. So they don't want to do their business on top.
You mean they use God's name for do business?
Adult, not be God.
Okay.
So the earlier we forget about adults that follow the real God, it will better for we.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for your contribution. The better forget about adult and start follow the real God. I don't know for line. We'll take some one call again before we go for this other topic. For that time for PK 17, Roland, why you prepare? I'm going to take this other call because the call and say the feel too much, the man to confuse. I don't know for line. Hello? Hello, now for line. It's a man. Man will just answer the call. We want John launch me answer call them. Then he just enter again plenty night. They pass back against them. Hello, now for line.
The participation is too
high. Hello, now for line. 3 calls.
We must congratulate all those who are participating. Maybe they can have even a Facebook page.
Yes, even the program, if you meet the program, if you go for YouTube or Free Africa, you download that for your phone. If you follow the program through your phone,
Michael Foncha
on YouTube. You go for Michael Foncha, you type him, you see all the program them they did for YouTube. If you watch them, even from my Facebook page, Michael Foncha, you go there and the poster for the every day as the program depends.
And even the preoccupation on the Resistance Esama.
On Facebook.
Isama Andre Bless. Facebook.
Okay, anyway, more just control this thing. Can we go to, you don't go for PK 17?
Tell me.
You don't go PK 17?
Yes.
You know some company there for that side where they make cement call for inside quarter. See now the company that the company so it work for daytime and for night. For daytime, said they can't trade in and the gravel. Small time they will bring an engine oil and toxic thing they can't trade chemicals they use them for mix all that in them. For night, they because they grind that sand for semi soft. Small time you see motor for daytime, motor can't carry them. They go supply. But they make a for inside quarter. Now fine thing because they're made in Cameroon.
Yeah.
But one side they make them school they for corner. For middle quarter where people dey stay for that side. When you come back for work, you no fit sleep.
Yeah.
For daytime, you no fit rest for house. Machine dey make They write book for that man. Call carry a company, come on see for corner school, picking again for learn book. Wait till it happen. Then now they don't like cut down to say so. Make the man pack a kid and come for December. He go. But now before now, still can wait for December. We picking go do her. You don't go sleep for house.
Yeah. And we must protect environment. Even you see.
See for night. We go for, you say I go for them for night. We chief. I go no go in the house. We take people for night.
Prevent explosion because sometimes something can be warning.
Yeah.
There is a matter, Michael. Our country is not managed like we need because all those people who are SDO,
SDO.
Those people, divisional officers, they always work. When there is a matter of Isama is working, is making
manifestation,
is against. No, it's their work now here to come and educate even those people who
honor them when they don't give an authorization for them that company they work at.
First of all, how can Cameroonian don't develop an area, industrial area where a company of industrialization can be there? You see Dangote. It's not good to have Dangote at the side of Wuri. Yeah. It's not a good opportunity for Cameroonian to have an industry of cement building in there. I'm not matter about money. You know, Michael, we are patriots, so that even Dangote is not allowed to Isama to make advertisement because I do it. Me, I will tell him the truth. He cannot have that company even in USA or in France at the side of the river because pollution. Yeah. Pollution is not good. Cement come before Dangote. It's not good. So although Power have said that place of cement is the bad resolution, and we still remember pipeline when the Prime Minister
pipeline
was
for Chad, we go for a link.
Chad Cameroon. Put Cameroonian in security because the security of a population is most important than the money that a company can bring. You see, for example, in big state like Benin, they are not allowed against some company like PMUC because that disturb population, that kill the journey of population.
Okay,
playing.
You remember some last time when we come for here, I talked to the Minister for Commerce, he don't write some note with very time when Minister for Health be writing notes say so co-arena, I mean they don't use co-arena before they don't come to the minister use that. Then we talk about some other Norway because say so some they can drinks they can chop the way they for bottle then they don't be talking on corn on a beans on a which you say no fine. Say no buy them until me they go market select them. Minister for Commerce don't send a land boy them, sit with they don't go catch them. They don't want cash this if you don't see the corn na corn. They say even for animal for consumer it no fine. Even for human being for consumer it no fine. The corn do one for enter Cameroon be pass through custom.
It dey pass custom.
They pay custom duty, no?
They pass.
They don't enter for supermarket they go cash na supermarket them. It means they so na say we custom they work fine work or na who need work fine work.
Yes, Michael, the answer is simple. The Cameroon is a country where corruption was high, even in judiciary matter. You see, even Affair Bolloré, Camrai, we cannot understand how they cannot condemn those companies who have killed Cameroonian. So, according to me, that is the way corruption is coming. They have corrupt a lot of people, and we must know they connect all those.
They will corrupt people for can Kiwi bring bad products.
You don't remember that matter of grippe aviaire? Yeah. They kill all the industry of chicken of our country. So I'm very convinced that Michael, to cancel such kind of idea, we must really have very important big structure against corruption, and that structure must be even in Canal 2 English. We give the opportunity to cameraman to have what we call a prize. If you can snap some important image, we give you a prize. You see Roland like this, he's an engineer at the bottom. He's working, for example, how he can find.
I think award those people.
Yes, we award all those people who can even try with.
Okay, we'll take to 1 or 2 callers. I don't know how they for line. Yeah, now they for line. Okoje Nato this time around for talk about all this one because this corn we don't catch am now. Don't show that corn 5 minutes here because that corn is so minister don't talk so any man we don't buy that corn for house make it destroy am because na we woke up they don't fit consume am. I don't know the for line. I don't know the for line. Oh, the call when the one answer one call, 2 call, 3 call, 5 call, they just join and they enter at the same time. Phone 2, they just confused. Kai, we want confirm my brother say me I do. I will give you now which one, leave which one. And I'm not sure because this corner put it on buy them, the chop them. Now they go if they fall sick, you don't know. You go carry. Now what are the year of cancer?
Our advice is to say to population, let them use
local products. Let's go in for natural product.
Don't go again to big stuff because that company what we call I don't give the name but big say no we import things no make Cameroonian consume Cameroonian local to market even they can't advertise that their products them or they can't sell now we product because if you see this Chinese Lebanese France French for here they don't open big supermarket left and right they go for that side carry na their brother that can't them do even product who have only the product who have been rejected.
So what we rejected products and when they reject them they bring another country.
Say no, this is a monkeys people in Cameroon.
And they say they need to chop the product they bring.
No, they cannot check. Look for example.
You don't see Chinese for the chop. I be shocked say I enter for some Chinese. You know they go in for they get people they bring them this concombre. They bring them these fruits. They go buy now fruits. Go vegetable. For that supermarket they bring us. Sometimes see I they do shopping. I be shocked for see he leave me for cash. He leave me around money because they don't bring in fruit them and eating them. He run quick. He run for what take a fruit them. I say hey. So I didn't buy chaps. See, I leave my own brother when my sister and I got flow for them, would carry them because they don't go buy carrot them, which you can come them, order food them, would pay them, order one them. So now I say, when they can't give me chaps, they buy my own fighting them.
See the experience of their life, they live long time on the head.
Because they live for natural product.
Yes. Anytime you see Cameroonian now die, Mongo de la Quintini. I'm sorry for Mama Mbenge. Mama Mbenge.
Hello, now the line. Mr. Paul, you come for side. Yes, Mr. Paul, go ahead with your contribution.
Yes, I will be feeling out with that call.
Yeah.
And what we cost of the beginning, let me say, every time we can work out for the kind of store, it has like
Okay, thank you, Pray, for your contribution. We'll take another man waiting for line. We want to give own contribution too because to this program I say we need for the talk. So other people too. They offer yeah. Because we need to know what the people they think for left and right and for
the population have heard the message.
Yeah. I don't know for line. I don't know the call. Okay, we'll take that call away for line. I don't know for line. When they call it down, you don't join again, enter plenty, so you just confused again. Phone to know I will get you want me to talk or you want me to talk.
Somebody can say no, you have not.
No, when they didn't take when I call them that because they call them too much, 10, 15 calls, 20 calls they enter at the same time. Phone 2, you need to know which one for just take up. I don't know for line. Mr. George from Kumba, go ahead with your own contribution.
Yes,
will pray for God may help we the connect will line only be clear that way fine. That will not get you fine for this. I want to tell this other call away either for line. Hello? Hello? Hello, now for line. Okay, it's a man. Bamenda don't be for 3 days. Market not open.
Serious matter. How population.
How people go chop. First day, it be na country Sunday. Second day, it be na Kitu. All side, you the one part of the show na head console. You just go na go. My be don't open store for morning time. It just lock the run. You go na go for us. All my go show for us. Number 3 day, na only Kitu the show na only head gun. Any man go good. Number 3, the treasury union they say man, the one na waiting. She don't so we waiting na how. Now they call Ndongame the she don't for that of Congress hall. Governor talk say this so na them. Talk say me the block market. Since they don't decide for the obey country Sunday and they deny for come get open store for say me active the return me money to the enter from governor Ekwa. But I mean they just control for the law the market population say this so we will not feel here again for una. We must respect country Sunday because when you don't respect country Sunday, either one can they don't burn your store. If they don't burn your store, as you go back for house, they can't maintain for burn your house. If you do not, they can't threaten you. Say if you don't pay the amount, you don't do the one. So people they say, Kitu them say when they get for they rely on the Kitu, they feel talk with them like how they call and they talk to them. So Kitu them that, but same that they try to be friendly with the people. They instead scare the people, make people that they fear them. Should fighting them will go on. How are them? How your pa go be way if wicked when it time we pass your corner only beat you. When you get something, if you go talk for your pa, the pa nothing will happen. You feel that you go talk for your pa, or you say beat and say so you there among you don't do that bad thing no. So then they talk they send back message for us of Oga governor say so all that one they happen so now because say they need to feel protected. The market not be secure because they don't burn market for Bamenda because they put the car open, and they know ever people they burn the market they don't ever get back their children. They don't they lost. Then for saying me you lost your whole shop better you lost 4 days for 1 month.
Yes. Yes, it's better.
So what do you if you talk for that one?
This is a matter of mismanagement of a crisis, a small crisis of dialogue. Even really, Paul Biya, at the beginning of that crisis, he removed Laura Eso, Minister of Justice. He put, for example, Mr. Ayapol Abine, Minister of Justice of Cameroon. Because the real matter is the dignity of a population that have been corrupt by people who are francophone. Really is that. And people don't allow population to hear that there were an error. You see, for example, Issa Chiruma, when he was calling our brother terrorist, is not good. Those are mentioned that we cannot allow when you are in the family. Because when your brother is not happy, you must not call him terrorist when you know the reason.
Well, you know say it vex.
Yes, it vex. You must call
you
him.
You see Pekin the vex, you tell Pekin so it be bad Pekin. That Pekin go just bad feeling.
No be now your blood. Now your blood oh. After you go come for house, you say no, you don't enter for house.
Because na bad Pekin. You go enter, not their house.
That means.
You go if you drive it to say come on go for your own papa house, say that one your papa your house.
No, who's not the papa? Even you go to commissariat or gendarme, they will okay, this is your son.
They are Pekin.
So according to me, the management of that crisis have passed too many times without resolution. And the matter now is to say, okay, if, for example, at the presidential election is coming, if there is something important that we can hear, even from Canada English in council meeting, me, Esama, I ask for the population to change the leader. If they can't change the leader, may population understand that
may they change leader through presidential election
or revolution, because there is a way of conducting a revolution. The revolution cannot be conducted with violence only. We see exactly disobedience civil when there was some Sunday we respected that time. But now government want to fool population and say no, we don't want you to respect again. No. Population is the population who is the king. Of course, government also, but the population.
The population, is authorities go there,
no,
president go there.
Paul is there because of Isama, Michael Foncha,
and all my and when I told that people voting.
That means we are intellectual. We can go through dialogue and say, okay, this I decide we are going to hold. We hold all this crisis of market like this. We hold this. May people sit down. Even they come back to school. How are we going to make come back to school in Bamenda? Don't tell me. How are we going to make election in Bamenda?
Is the one just politicians for 1,700 politicians? You don't be to 228.
Our brother is in Nigeria. Oh, our brother in Nigeria. What are they doing there? Refugee. You are a refugee inside your country.
Go through one day for neighbor, one day for second.
Most of population are coming to other side. Mbanga, Bunaberi, Sitesi. They are fully inside the house of their brother who is not at the side of Bamenda. It's not a good opportunity to a country where people who are managing on cannot accept that no, we are fair.
Okay, people who are managing don't accept say we say they don't fail presidential election. You don't show it outside this so pay cam they don't print alternate they print material they solve for do distribution for say that they move away for see who will be the next Kukuma or na Kukuma will come back or now under that big boy they will turn that party they will want be able for you so now they go talk constitutional council. They get one be like oh they go cheating.
And we congratulate all the opposition who have made the vote cannot be again in military.
It's for military barracks,
That is
because
no.
This SGF be planted in the common match for number 15 day for the moon we did it so. They say that the common match if elect cannot do notice anyone he like gun he holla them say the only match for that gun for front. That's the year that you they say that one this one a bad one. Now they say even for presidency they no go vote again. For inside military, inside Kitu their house, means for military camp them, they no go do vote. Any military will vote. He move uniform or he come with uniform, come for public place, he can't vote. Because if you box man for inside military camp, they carry you go judgment for military.
Yes. And is that the way population can be confident now to the system? But it's not only that, because really, if we had those father founder here, Papa Unyobe, Papa John Foncha, because they need transparency. Because it's not good that Pobia is the one nominated the president of election. Elekam. No, it's not good that.
Now the chief of chief, first footballer, first Marabu.
Nominate Atangana. No, Atangana. I mean Atangana, the president of Conseil Constitutionnel. Oh no, it's not good. When you are a footballer like Samuel Eto'o, you can play a match. You cannot be at the same time the referee. No, it's not good.
You don't be coach, you don't be referee, you don't be captain.
Samuel Eto'o, yes, captain. You want to say, oh, goal. I
don't score.
Mondia must respect the ethic of election.
Okay.
Ethical election. Of course, he want Cameroonian to know that because he have said it. He want to make Pobia say he want Cameroonian to know that he's one bringing democracy. And democracy, of course, it can be like we are speaking on TV, but it's the progress also in the term of election. Yeah, he must have an independent organ of election. That means people who are not elected, who are not coming from CPDM, who are not coming from no.
Okay, we'll surely come back for talk about all our because time to we don't just get that 2 minutes. We don't remain for this type of same way Chakara to recontrol for inside this one. Esama, you know say we talk bye. Now you go use your move talk for side for John Go for John Go Foncha.
Yes.
What do you if you talk John Go Foncha? What do you if you talk? As your last talk for your people way they follow you.
Papa John Foncha, when he was alive, he was saying that we must respect our own tradition and custom. Because Southern Cameroon had his own national assembly.
Yeah, tradition and policy and way of life.
Yes, and as we now, even the road, when you go to street, you will see the street with the name of people who can understand English. because when you are in Douala, all is in French. Ville de Douala, Rue de, and you see again colonialist master of France. Papa John Foncha is asking us. I want Roland to put camera. Papa God John Foncha is asking us, may us continue to bring Cameroonians together with all the respect of our tradition of our culture, francophone, and even Camerounophone, because that culture is important. May, for example, in University of Boya, when there were segregation, when you see, for example, francophone, you want to register in University of Boya, you see that ask you for some more fees. Why? Is it good that you see the GCE have not been a board, official board? When you see, for example, the result of GCE, you see that they can come at the same time like the baccalaureate.
Okay.
Yes.
You mean so I don't know come on, I don't know come on. Okay, then wait till Robert Umnyobe he talk like all last talk.
Yes, Papa Umnyobe, when he's asking, for example, to France, may them understand that they cannot choose again our president, because France have a debt on Cameroonian the 30th of September. This 30th of September 2018, France will make 60 years that they have never bring us archive of the picture of Umnyobe that they have killed. They have killed a lot of our parents. They have made Papa Ndetu Maza run away from Cameroon and so on. Félix Moumier have been killed in Swiss because of France. Papa Ruben Umnyobe is asking to Paul Biya, may don't him again think that he can be president because of France. Because on November, Paul Biya will be invited in France. How can we be in October? We have not even played a presidential election, and France already give
invitation for come attend occasion.
And we see, for example, that we don't have military bases of France in Cameroon. You can see military bases in Chad. In Gabon.
Yes. Okay, so what do you think as on last talk of 1 or 2.2 as time to
yes, I want to give the number of that wonderful sculpture.
Next week we'll talk.
No, he's in Fumban.
Yeah.
Yes, so
okay.
that
time can just allow 2 or 3 people.
Yeah. I greet all population who will be concerned on education this year. Come back to school is not easy in the site of Anglophone part of my country. So I congratulate all the Cameroonians who will continue to resist with intelligence. May them change the Cameroon at the site of revolutionary, because we always think that we are no, we are revolutionary population.
Okay, many ID country people. Thank you, French Summer. As you see the program pass now, you will miss this morning time. If you see catch them again for evening from 9 to 10:30. If you miss them tomorrow another day again, we could do it. So put our same official enjoy our favorite program. Me, I go come back again. So for Monday would better to do them. What will happen for inside country? We don't go.